This free Polymarket backtest tool lets you test strategies to see what ones win and just how much money you'll make. Now, first off, down below there are chapters so you can fast forward to the different sections that you want to help you navigate the video easier. Also, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before moving in on the crypto and Web3 space. Now, we're using Polycop. They have a backtest feature for 5 and 15-minute up-down markets. Now, they use Poly Backtest, which has thousands of historical up-down results. So this is where it gets from. And Polycop, what are they? Well, they are a copy trading bot that's the fastest on the market. I've done some tests, other people have done as well, but they're also very high up on the volume and the Polymarket builders. So that's where they kind of fit within the Polymarket ecosystem. Now, to set it up, you're going to need the bot in Telegram. Now, you can go down below and use the link. It helps at the channel, or you can head to their X account. When you're here, you're going to hit start. Then when you get to this main menu, hit AFK Auto Trade. Now what you're gonna do here is hit Create AFK Auto Trade. Now this is where you set up the settings that you want. So you set up the time frames, the minimum price that you want to buy, which is the number here, and then the Bitcoin price, which is this number here. You can then buy up or buy down. You've got the buy amount, the number of rounds, the take profit, and stop loss. Then after that, you hit Create, then click on it, head back into it, and hit Run Backtest, and then you're given 10 tens per day, 5 100s, and 1 1000, and this is the best strategy to use. What you do is you test on the 10s until you find a strategy that looks like it works, then backtest it on 100, refine again, then backtest it on 1000 to give you an exact result of what you want to do. Now, a quick note, when you head back in here, make sure deselect active into pause, just to make sure that you don't end up running the backtest as you're actually testing it out. Now, to show you just how easy it is, let's run through and find a strategy now. So we'll hit start, hit AFK Auto Trade. We will start a new one. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to start at the beginning. So sort of when the round first starts, then we'll go to 1 minute. What we'll do is we'll see if the minimum price of Bitcoin runs up by $40 in the first minute. What we will do is we'll see if we can actually make some money. So the minimum price is 1 cent or it goes up to 95 cents. So as long as the Bitcoin price runs up $40 in the first minute, we will put a buy in of $10. We will hit create, head back into it, turn off active so it's paused, and then we will run the back test. Now we can see here on the 10, we end up, says we're up $7. So it says over the last 10 trades, we would have won 2 and lost 0. So what we'll do is we'll now go hit market 100, run the back test, see what happens over 100. And we can see here it's still up. So it did have 1 loss, and the loss would have been quite catastrophic, but there was 5 wins in a row. See, the max drawdown is $10. Then we will back test over 1,000. I would refine it a little bit here, but let's just do it for the sake of this test. So here are the results. We would lose 63 cents. The volume that would pump through is just around 1,400. We'd have a win rate of 70.5%, so 70.5%, 100 wins, 41 losses, and a trigger rate of 13 so basically 14%. So out of 1,000 rounds, it would trigger 140 times. Now, these are the buy prices. The fact is the max drawdown that we would have hit over that 1,000 sort of run period is down 100, and there would have been 3 losses in a row. Now, for argument's sake, what you could do is you could head back, you could hit pause, turn that into active, and there we go. You'd be running for, oh, okay, it looks like it's just triggered. I guess we should, let's see how it goes. And there we go. Because I turned it on, we're up sort of 12% on that trade, so up $1.27. So yeah, it kind of is that easy. And this is a trade that actually happened before, which is pretty crazy. We might actually pause this right now. So yes, this tool is free. You can backtest, you can do what you want. You don't need to use Polycop, but as you can see, they've incorporated it into the ecosystem, the bot itself, so it's super easy to use, but you can use another platform. You could use your own bot, whatever you wanted to do. This tool is completely free. I think it's fun to use. It's good to test out interesting strategies to see if there would be an edge. So yeah, then you can hopefully squeeze out a little bit of juice on the 5 and 15-minute markets on Polymarket. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, go down there, drop some love, all that good stuff. I'd very much appreciate it. I had a pleasure making this video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.